everyone. Today I'm going to be doing a teeny tiny Bath & Body Works haul. You guys know I don't typically shop from Bath & Body Works too much throughout the year. I typically only purchase from them during their semi-annual sales and things like that. So every once in a while a collection will come along that I just want to try out a few things from. And that was definitely the case with this one, which is their kind of like their part 2 to the Disney Princess collection. They came out with like maybe last summer or so. So I definitely wanted to try out some of the products and scents for the new princesses. And I believe they brought back Belle and Tiana from the last one too. So if you missed that the first time, I think they brought back some of those products as well. But I did end up trying all the princesses from the first collection. So there are 4 new products for Aurora, Mulan, Rapunzel, and Snow White. And they also released an item that's kind of like generically Disney. It's not like one of the specific princesses, but I decided I wanted to get a few items to try them out. But I actually really liked how I went about this last time when the first collection came around for the princesses. I knew I wanted to like try out the products and like get to participate in like using the things and all that, but I didn't want to like buy a lot of like body lotions or hand soaps or candles or things like that, because number one, those do add up and they're fairly large and more expensive items. So last time I decided I was going to get just the hand sanitizers in all of the scents. Number one, because then I get to try everything, and also the hand sanitizers are only like $1.95 each. So I thought that was a really good like cost-effective way to go about obtaining the collection to get to try it out without over inundating myself with more things when I still have a lot to get through that I purchased in the past. So that is what I did again this time. I went for the hand sanitizers to get everything to try it out, and I did get one little bonus product, and I have to admit, you guys, I could not help myself and I had to get it. I wanted to get it. I didn't have to get it. I wanted to get it. And it is extremely overpriced, I will admit. I was so close to not buying it, but I did really want to get it, and that was the plug-in, the wallflower plug-in. It kind of looks like a carriage. I thought it was so pretty, and I could kind of justify it in my mind a little bit because I'm like, well, you know, it's not like something I'll use up and then have to throw it away. Like, it's something that I'll have for a while, and I thought it was so pretty. I died when I saw it. But the cool thing about this one, I have not tested this out yet, but I will throw in a clip. It says that it is a projector as well, so it has like a little light in here that like projects these little shapes. So it looks like there's like a little item for all the princesses. There's a rose for Belle, there is Aurora's crown, Cinderella's glass slipper, Mulan's hair comb, Tiana's crown, a magic lamp for Jasmine, so on and so forth. So there's so many like cute little things here that this is gonna project. Like I said, I will throw in a clip showing like what this looks like because I haven't seen it yet myself. But I will admit, this is insanely overpriced. This, with no discounts, just regular price, is $39.95. I think that is ridiculous, I know, but I did end up getting it. I thought it was very, very pretty, and I'm a sucker for the really pretty ones. So then moving on to the hand sanitizers, they were doing a deal. I think it was like get 6 for X amount of dollars or whatever, and I was already getting the 5 from the Princess collection, so I ended up getting 1 extra, and then I had a free gift item, so I got 1 for free. So I ended up going for the In the Stars hand sanitizer. My boyfriend really loves this scent, surprisingly, so I got this one for him to keep in his car. He just got a new car, and you know, he's really all about like keeping it clean and nice and like everything in order, so wanted to get him a little hand sanitizer to keep in his car. And then this was the extra one that I picked out. I really like the scent. This is the pistachio milk and honey scent, so I got that one for me. I mean, who are we kidding? All these other ones are for me too. But then we have all of the princess ones. So like I said, we have Aurora, we have Mulan, then we have Rapunzel and Snow White, and then the last one, like I said, it's kind of like a generically like Disney scent. This one's called Life's a Fairy Tale. So we're gonna go through all of these. I'm gonna like smell them all and see what I think about them. Might be a little bit hard to differentiate between 5 different scents, but we're gonna just like, I think we'll do like 3 on this arm, 2 on this arm, and like space them out and everything and see what we can tell from them. So I think I'm gonna start off with Aurora. I really love Aurora, and this scent is supposed to be soft rose petals, warm sandalwood, and sparkling fairy dust. So we're gonna go ahead and try this one out first. I'm not really a huge fan of like smelling like rose, as you guys know, but I mean, come on, we were gonna get them all. So I'm gonna go ahead and rub this on my wrist. I definitely got way more than I meant to get, and I'm gonna give that a minute to air out. All right, and now let's smell this one. Okay, this is a rose I can get behind. This one's really good. If you're someone who like does not like rose and just the mere mention of rose is enough to like turn you off and be like, no, not getting that one, I will say hang on just a minute. Because to me, this one really does not smell rosy at all. It says it's supposed to be soft rose petals, but to me, it almost smells more of like fruity, like a peachy raspberry kind of scent. I'm not really getting much of the sandalwood though, so hey, maybe it's the fairy dust that I'm smelling. It's definitely like a floral fruity. I would not call this even rosy at all, so I'm kind of surprised by that, because the Belle one definitely smells like rose. Like that one, if you are not a rose fan, that one does smell like rose, but this one just, it does not. It does not. I like this one a lot. I think if you're into more of like a fruity floral, I think you'll definitely like this one. Like I said, it kind of gives me like a peachy raspberry kind of vibe. So I'm actually pleasantly surprised with that because I do really like this scent. This is definitely one I would have picked up knowing what I know now. So I'm gonna give that one a yes. So moving on, we have the Mulan scent. This one is supposed to be delicate magnolia blossom, radiant apricot, and crisp fierce water, whatever that means. So this one I'm gonna kind of do a little bit further down on my arm as to not mix the scents. All right, let's smell that one. That one smells good too. I will say it kind of smells a little more generic in my opinion. Nothing's like jumping out at me like as far as the notes go. I think that the Magnolia Blossom is definitely a really like a nice soft floral. So even if you're not someone who typically likes florals, I really actually do kind of like the Magnolia scent to it. And then once again with the apricot note, kind of gives it more of that fruity floral kind of vibe. So this one I also do really like, but it just kind of smells a little more generic to me. It's not really like jumping out at me, but it's still a very good one. So I do like this one. And moving on, we have Rapunzel, and this one is glowing sun drop flowers, rich nectar, and golden musk. So not quite sure what really any of that's gonna smell like. They're definitely leaning a lot into the fantasy as far as the descriptions go, but let's go ahead and let's try this one out. All right, let's smell this one. Ooh, this one is really, really good. I don't even know how to describe it though. This one's good. Okay, this one to me, it's very like fruity forward, but it almost has like a perfumey fruity kind of smell in a way. To me, almost smells a little bit more on like grape fruity side, if that makes any sense. It has a little bit more of like a heavier, like deeper kind of scent to it, like a really rich like grape, like a muscadine or something like that. Like it has that really juicy kind of grapey scent to me. That's the best I can like describe that one as. So far this one's actually my favorite of all of the 3 that I've tried. Again, it's kind of like borderline like a grape and a raspberry kind of scent. Like it's a very juicy, very like, I feel like you could just sink your teeth into it, kind of a juicy fruity smell. Yeah, so far that one is my favorite. So moving on, we have Snow White. This is the last of the princess scents. This one is very aptly scented like a mystic red apple, ripened fruit, and enchanted woods. So we're gonna go ahead and switch over to this side. I think we've run out of real estate on my left arm. All right, let's smell that one. Ooh, that's another good one. This is another really good one. To me, the apple is definitely there, but it almost smells like a little bit more of like an apple mixed with like a peach or like a tangerine or something like that to kind of give it a little more juicy, kind of like fruity smell. But I can definitely smell the apple. It's definitely like mixed with something. So I think that's where like the ripened fruit is kind of coming from. That is another really good one. I kind of feel like we haven't missed with any of these. There's none that I'm like, don't really like that one. All right, and finally we have the last one. This is the one that's called Life's a Fairy Tale. I'm definitely really intrigued by this one. This one is Bewitching Berries, Fanciful Florals, and Warm Woods. I feel like they're just getting like vaguer and vaguer with their scent notes on these, especially when they include things like Enchanted Woods, Fierce Water, Sparkling Fairy Dust. They're kind of giving like a lot of whimsy and not a lot of actual description. But let's go ahead and see about this one. All right, let's smell that final one. That one smells really good too. Once again, kind of on the vague side as far as like what it smells like. It's definitely more of like a red fruit berry kind of smell. Think of like currants, like a raspberry kind of scent like that one as well. I really feel like I'm not getting very much of the floral notes on that one or the wood notes either, but another one I still really like. I think it's really good. I kind of feel like you can't go wrong with any of these. If I had to rank them, I'm definitely going to give my number 1 to Rapunzel. That one just smelled so good. Number 2 to Aurora. Life's a Fairy Tale for number 3. I'm going to give Snow White number 4, and I'm going to give Mulan number 5. Honestly though, I think that these are all really nice scents, and there wasn't any of them that I didn't enjoy. The only one I really didn't really care for, I think, was the Belle scent, I think, if memory serves me correct. That one was just like really heavily rose, but I mean, it fits the theme, it fits the princess, so I kind of feel like that's what you gotta go with. But that one I do remember being like not my favorite, and then I don't remember if I liked the Cinderella scent or not. I can't remember. Either way, I'm really glad that I did get to try all of these, because I feel like this is like the easiest point of entry to Bath & Body Works things, especially if you're like wanting to try a whole collection, but you don't want to spend a lot of money on all of the items individually. I feel like the hand sanitizer route is a good way to go about it, and I can always use more hand sanitizers. I feel like if I had not gotten the plug-in, everything would have been like a super reasonable haul, nothing crazy, not too much money, not too many items, but I really feel like the wall plug-in is what put this over the limit for me. But either way, that is it for the super fast, teeny tiny Bath & Body Works haul. I was just really intrigued by the scents, and especially since I bought all the hand sanitizers of the previous princesses, I wanted to have these other ones as well. That is going to be it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please like and subscribe. You can follow me on social media. Links are below. And until my next video, I will talk to you guys later. Bye.